Okay. Riyadh?
Hi, I can introduce
Yep.
myself. Hi, I'm Rayad. I'm a full stack software developer with more than 6 years of experience. I'm living in Gothenburg and I've been playing with AI and I'm right now developing a, software solution um, that can automate the job application process, write cover letters, and update CV based on the job description. I've been applying to jobs in Sweden for a long time, and I found that it takes a lot of time applying to all the jobs. So I'm trying to solve this problem with an AI based software uh, I'm currently working on.
Okay, cool. Riyadh, I think I saw some post about the software that you're building. Did you deploy it already? Is it live?
Yeah, a part of it is live, and just one feature is live, and now I'm also working with the backend and other
Okay.
features.
Okay. Is it available for general public for usage?
Yeah, it's available for general
Okay. So
public,
maybe you can.
but it's really early stage.
Okay. Yeah, but it doesn't matter, end of the day. So it's important to have something that is working. We can always improve.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. But everyone, whoever is joining, you can share your LinkedIn link in the chat. We will also share our LinkedIn links and some other important links in the chat so you can connect with each other. If you have any working AI product or any idea, prototype, even a document, you can also share in the chat. Just write some description and share in the chat so that others can take a look. We can also take a look. We will officially start the session. Just give me 1 minute. We are also going live on a couple of platforms. Go live. Mm, mm. Okay, where are we going live? We are going live on YouTube and LinkedIn, not on my personal LinkedIn, I think. Yep. Okay. Welcome, Gada, Chukwe, Agatha. Welcome, Victor. Welcome to the session. We will start in a minute. Um, we just finished introduction, so you can also introduce yourself. If you can't unmute, you can enter in the chat from where you are joining and maybe a little bit about your relationship with AI. Or if you can unmute and talk, it would be great. Gada and Chukwe. You can just enter in the chat from where you are joining and what do you do right now.
Sure, Jagadish. I think I can give some
Yep.
basic information from my side. My name is Victor. I'm currently working as a recruitment and employer branding specialist at Citadef. Actually, I don't have any AI technical background, but I'm indeed involved in some recruitment process for AI positions and talent. So it will be a great opportunity for me to understand what is going on from the front end of the AI technology, but also I can also make some connections with the talent. Currently, we are also recruiting for some developer roles in Citadef. So if you're interested, you can just connect me or share your LinkedIn link. I will take a look after this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Victor. Yes, if you are someone who is looking for some opportunities to work with the AI first tools, you can drop your profile to Victor. Victor will get you some nice opportunities. Yep. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, okay. Gada introduced herself in the chat. Experimenting with AI, building few applications, and making transition into a agentic system from an engineering background. That's nice to know, Gada. Let me introduce myself. We can also have some interactive discussions at the end of the session after Lucy presents. But let's kick off what we started. I am Jagdish. I am founder of Citadev. I have been helping international talent in Sweden get into tech opportunity by providing training and mentoring. We offer some vocational courses, year-long vocational courses, and now we updated all our courses to AI, so that you can, if you want to become a developer, how you can be a good developer and use AI to increase your productivity. If you want to be a software tester, how you can use AI to improve your productivity as a software tester. So that's what we teach, train, and mentor with our vocational courses. I also run a community called International Talent in Sweden. I conduct a lot of events, webinars, workshops, seminars, and boot camps through that community. Almost all of those workshops, boot camps are for free for anyone who is living in Sweden and Europe if they want to learn more about the job market. Sometimes, mostly they are related to tech, but even if you are a non-technical background, most of the insights are helpful if you want to face the job market in Sweden and Europe. That's what I do mostly. I have been doing that for around 6 years. And for the last couple of years, I have been trying very hard to find an intersection between connecting the talent and the employers. That's where I and Lucy met. So Lucy has been doing a great work through Garden of Talents, directly helping talent present themselves in front of the recruiters in a closed room. Most of the typical recruitment events are gallery shows, so they do not bring great value to the talent, but they bring some value to the companies in terms of spreading the word and promoting themselves and attracting the talent. So Lucy, with her team, flipped it 180 degrees and bringing the recruiters in a room where talent can present themselves and one by one. Lucy will explain more about that. And as part of her work, Lucy has also been taking very big stages. I think a couple of months ago, Garden of Talent was at AI network show, something like that in Gothenburg, right, Lucy? So they were part of that, and they presented AI talents there. And similarly, in September, along with Citadev and Garden of Talents, we are going to host an amazing show at a live event where we are going to help around 10 AI innovators present their AI work on a very big stage. AI live event is going to be one of the biggest AI events in Sweden. So now this session, this event is basically to find whoever is suitable for such event. So in collaboration with Garden of Talents, we both are looking for the talents, and we are going to give all the information that you need to know. If you have any a product or idea or prototype, if you can present that in front of a larger audience and get a visibility, and we are here to give you that opportunity. So Lucy will share all the information about how to reach to the point where you are going to present in front of a big audience. So there is a process, training, mentoring, coaching involved before you actually present, and how we select candidates and all of those things Lucy will present to you. With that, I will hand over the session to Lucy. Lucy, over to you.
Yes, thank you so much, Jagadish, and thank you for everyone for joining us this afternoon. It's great to be here, and we have done these great sessions together with Jagadish. I just want to ask, are you hearing me well? Just thumbs up or give a signal. Okay, yeah, I can see. All right, great. My name is Lucy Larsson. I live here in Gothenburg. I'm the founder of Garden of Talents. I have been in Sweden for 23 years exactly. And I am very familiar with the journey of so many international talents not being seen and not being found here in Sweden. So I arrived with a Bachelor of Commerce in Information Science for 23 years ago, and I never worked in that area. I never worked in that area. So I changed into HR, recruitment, and training. So that has been the career path I took. So now changing back, tapping into the IT sector. And not as an expert, but I want to position myself as the link to create opportunities between the market and the international talents, which is today is known as the main challenge in Sweden. And so many individuals are struggling to get into the market. So that's my short about my background. So I've been working in big organizations like MSB. Maybe you've heard of that organization. Today it is known as the Department of Civil Defense. I've been working with the recruitment and HR work for international field staff working for the UN and the EU. And then I have experience working with training development in the Swedish military, training teachers who are training soldiers. So for the last 4 years, I've changed career and take the path on the career coaching as well as people and culture. So that's where I am. And a little bit about the Garden of Talents. We started 2024. Right at the time, yeah, that is when we met Jagadish for the first time, when Garden of Talent was starting. We piloted together with 11 other international talents, and then we register as a social enterprise or an ekonomisk here in Sweden since 2024. And we have been yeah, we have been continuing on that path. It's very challenging, but we decided to continue. So 2025, we run 2 Job Connect shows, like Jagadish was sharing. We turn around the job fair concept and put the talent on stage, inspired by the TEDx model. And we also create exhibition booths for talents to showcase their work. But before that, we spent like 6 to 8 weeks to train them to make sure that they are stage ready and they are communication ready. One of the most important feedback that we have got from employers is that the talents they claim that they are very experienced and they can do the work, but when they communicate like students. So that is a big takeaway that we take with us. Focus on how to communicate your value. So that is what I want to share before I share the presentation. And by the way, I am from Samoa. It's an island in the Pacific, if you have not heard of it. And tomorrow there's a Moana Vaiana film from Disney that is releasing in the whole world. So that movie is part of where I come from. So the culture you see there and how people dress, we dress exactly like that. Not every day, but in performance and culture. So let me share the presentation, and I will take us on a journey, a very exciting journey today. Mm, Feel free to share your questions in the chat during the presentation. So Jagadish will help to answer. Okay, so now you see the presentation, and so let's hit the road. Huh? Are you guys ready? Show me some love and show me some encouragement. I have a lot of energy right now, but I would need a little bit more. It doesn't hurt. So the AI Innovators Showcase that we are building now, what is it anyways? The whole idea of this is to turn your AI project into a pitch, a presence, and a place on the biggest AI stage in Sweden. Now, how did we come to think of this? There are one simple rule, visibility. Like we are finding so hard to showcase ourselves, uh, regardless of what we do in the CVs and what we do on LinkedIn, we are still not being able to see. So like Jagadish was mentioning, we have taken a big stages. Yes, that is one of the biggest mission of Garden of Talents. And what we want to do is we want to drill into the ecosystem, and we want to bring into the ecosystem a pipeline of talents, of competencies. So last year in October, we were part of Gothenburg Tech Week. So we had the show there and we partner up with them. So that is the big stage we want to be in. We don't want to be isolated because we are searching jobs, or we are new graduates, or we are researching, or we are creating a new business. We want to be part of that ecosystem. And in April, we were also part of Gaia, the Gothenburg Artificial Intelligence Alliance, the very big event in Svenska Mässa. And we were also part of their fair. And this year, we had the opportunity to have our own exhibition booth where 10 international talents showcased their work related to AI. And then we also did the show where they pitch and meet employers and recruiters in a closed room. So we are taking the third biggest stage in Gothenburg, and it's also described as the biggest and the largest AI event in Sweden so far. So in September, we are nailing that as well, and we are looking for people to do this work together. And we have the early bird that's ending today. We have more information to share about it during our presentation. Now, why is it we are doing this? There are so many brilliant AI work built every day, and none is being seen. So this is what we want to do at the AI Showcase at AI Live. If you're building something and never get in front of the room, that is a pain. The strong prototypes that get stuck when we do research and we build things. And the Sweden's AI talent pipeline, as said, it stays invisible. I know, and it's very obvious. I have been also as well to an AI event run by Sweden AI a few weeks back. So we had a very a discussion about the way companies are seeing this and the way companies are resisting to open up to using AI. So there was also a confirmation from AI Sweden, the need to be able to find AI talents in order to make the work easier for many companies. So if we are here, we have to be on that stage. Now, this is the pain and this is the problem and the gap that Garner Talents wants to close. And this said, it means that you will be presenting at Sweden's largest AI event on the 25th, 26th September, 2 days. Day one is the business day. That is to focus on companies. Day two is for everyone, the users of AI. Now, I heard someone was developing something for job search. That day two, is open for job seekers, for anyone who wants to find a solution to make their lives easier, even the retires. They are very specified a target group for the day two. But I think regardless of what day we will attend, everyone that will be there, a mother, a father, a grandfather, a grandmother, a business owner, they have contacts. And that is what we want to drill into, to find those places, find those contacts, and integrate as part of the ecosystem. Where is this? In Gothenburg, Eriksbergshallen. Maybe you have been there. It's quite a big hall. this one. So what the plan so far is that we will be having this speakers corner in the middle of this whole big hall. So imagine standing there. It's scary. I also feel scary myself, but wow, it's a powerful move for all of us. And national reach, yes, founders, engineers, companies, recruiters are all in the room. So you can imagine all the way from developers of AI to users, to end users. Everyone is there on that day. So AI Live, they draw us the people actively looking for what you build. So the room is yours. You should be in this room. And to say this, if you haven't seen the AI Live website. Oh, sorry, I clicked that. Have a look at it because they are estimating a total number of guests of up to 2,000, and they have a very high level line of speakers as well, which all of us will have access to it if we are there on those 2 days. And good companies who will be showcasing and exhibiting beside Ghana talents. Yes. So the AI Innovator Showcase, what is it really? Okay. So you can say it's a platform. It's a platform that we created mainly to lift up and showcase what do we have, what can we do, and what value we can create for companies and for the society and for the market. So visibility is what we want to do, and positioning ourselves, positioning in the way that regardless of your profile that you have today, if you are a software developer or you are HR, or if you are a founder, if you are a nurse, for example, but you are creating something in AI, it's worth showing. Position yourself as the expert, not as an AI purely, but as the expert using AI as a tool to solve real problems in the real world. Yeah. And then confidence, like the confidence to promote yourself, the confidence to speak about the value that you create, and the confidence to show the world, hey, look, I am as human as anyone who wants to get into the ecosystem. Opportunities are everywhere. But the access is somehow denied because of many other reasons, and somehow are hidden from us. So these opportunities, the focus and the aim is to meet companies, to meet some managers, to meet the users of AI, recruiters, and especially meet colleagues, colleagues like you who are creating AI products or projects, or have been researching, doing their theses on the topic. Yeah. And the 5 weeks that we have, we want to prepare 5 weeks before the 25th and the 26th of September to prepare everyone to be stage ready, and presenters as a person, but as well to package that project that you want to showcase, that product, to package it so it can be a very clear and specific thing to showcase at the AI Live. So what we want to say is you arrive with the project, you leave with a pitch, a presence, and the attitude to use both. So we're looking at 10 innovators, 10 professionals to showcase their work, one stage at AI Live here in Gothenburg. And the 5 weeks that we are talking about, there are no filler models. Every sessions will we end with you doing the thing. We're not teaching you how to just speak. We are asking you to do it. So that's what we want to achieve here. We do it, and we will do it in a sprint way, 5-week sprint, to make us all ready for the AI Live. Yeah. And wherever you are in your journey, there is always a seat for you. That is, who is this for? Emerging innovators. So we're looking at early career professionals, student and recent graduates, researchers, career changers, first AI project or prototype thesis. And then we have professional innovators, like you've been working professionals in AI or software innovation, experienced engineers and developers, consultant freelancers, you have been working and have something to share, startup founders, product owners, researchers with a live or client product. So these are the people, the backgrounds or the profiles of the people we're looking for. So it's not, we will start from where you are. That is the whole point of this. But we really want, we are looking for people like you have something worth sharing. You don't have to be expert in what you are building right now, but you are building something. There's no need for a finished product. You have something real, and something real meaning there is a problem. You're building it to solve a problem for a company, for the individuals, for people, and for the world. We can think even bigger and beyond what we see at the moment. So have something to share. Okay, and then we ask as well the question, what types? Yes, we are looking for, this is to mention a few, but there are so many others out there, type of industries that are looking into using AI or are already working with AI to improve and develop their own industry. So industrial, health tech, computer vision, human-centered AI, project management. Welcome. The range is illustrative, but yes, bring what you build and we will help to frame it. And then the 5 weeks that we're talking about, what is happening there? As said, visibility. We want to show us, but we also want to be real and bring what we have to showcase. So the value of what we bring should be at the level of aligned with the level of the AI live event. So we have a very important dates. On the 27th August, we start this 5 weeks. The showcase on the 25th, 26th of September. And we will run this with only 10 professionals we're looking for. And we are 3 trainers and coaches will run this 5 weeks and all the way to the goal in September and after that. So throughout the 5 weeks, what is happening? We have weekly live workshops, and this is hybrid, 2 hours. And every week, one-to-one coaching with one of the 3 coaches. The pitch practice every week. That means we practice in every live session the pitch. We will challenge and we put you on stage, even if you're not prepared. The real world networking challenges, yes, that is what we really want to encourage, to talk about the reality, what is happening in the world, and continuous feedback on your pitch, on your project, on your performance yourself, in your personal development, in your communication skills. We will give a continuous feedback during the 5 weeks. Yes, and week 1, we focus on your value. What is it that you're creating and how can we package? Build your pitch. In week 2, we put you on stage and prepare you as much as we can. And then the network and showcase, how to network. The critical questions, how to position yourself in week 4, how to speak even, and how to show up in your brand, like the personal branding that you are working on or you already have. The final preparation in week 5, we will have a rehearsal to go through our speakers lineup, and then we show up at the AI Live and take the world. Huh? How exciting is that? I am so looking forward to this. It's one of it's first of its kind, and I am very grateful to have the opportunity to be able to do this. Now, what you will walk away with, a reusable sharpened presentation and for your own work to continue using, your personal brand, be stronger, and also I'm encouraging everyone who joined this to document the experience because you will use it a lot later. to position yourself. Hey, look, I was on stage at AI Live together with some famous AI speakers, and take advantage of the opportunity. When someone Google you, you will show up in AI Live, and that is the amazing thing today when you Google yourself. The AI and all the machines and the robots are checking you out in everywhere. Dedicated exhibition space for 2 days. Yes, we will have the exhibition booth that we will showcase all day, and the show and the stage of speakers will be going on for the whole day as well. Your product, package, and explainable, a real stage experience in front of a live audience, and a room full of new contacts. This is what you will walk away with. So there are 3 ways to enter into AI Live. So the big deal is about, are you going there as a guest, or are you going there as an exhibitor, or are you going there as one of the AI Innovators Showcase cohort? So only one gives you the space, a place in the ecosystem. Now let's see here. If you go to AI Live, the highest ticket that is AI Live is selling today for a guest is around 3,000 SEK. So what you get from there, you can attend the event. Visibility is low because you will be one amongst the many others. Showcase your solution? No. Stage opportunity? No. Coaching and feedback? No. The personal brand? No. Networking and prep? Limited, of course. You will do your own prep. Now, as an exhibitor, like Garner Talents, we are an exhibitor. The minimum fee for an exhibitor is 25,000, and the maximum is 100,000. Now, if you are a company or a startup, if you want to be an exhibitor there to showcase your work, the minimum will be 25,000 SEK. So yes, you will attend the AI Live, the high visibility because they're showcasing the company. Showcase your solution, yes. Stage opportunity sometimes, but if you want to be a speaker, you want to pay for that. Coaching and feedback, no. No personal branding. Instead, it's a company that is branded. And the networking preparations is limited. Now, when it comes to the Innovator Showcase, we are very grateful for the collaboration we are doing with AI Live. We have the opportunity to be there for 2 days. And our job is to give them the value, give them entertainment, give them real cases, give them real people with talent and competencies. So what we are offering here is, as a cohort in the Innovator Showcase, the fee that we have, the minimum is 35,000 and 5,900 SEK. And you get to attend. Visibility is very high because you will be on stage more than one time each day. Showcase your solution. Yes, you will have a space in the exhibition booth all day to showcase your product. Stage opportunity, you will be the speaker's corner. The coaching and feedback is included in the 5 weeks preparation. The personal brand, very strong. You will brand yourself, although that you will be under the collaboration of Citadev and Garden Talents. We encourage everyone to be very personal about their work. And the networking preparation is very high. We prepare not just a product, but we prepare ourselves. How to present to achieve the maximum level of confidence to show up as professionals, regardless if you are an emerging professional or an experienced profession. So, simple words, AI Live gives you a seat at the audience, and AI Innovator Showcase gives you a place in the ecosystem. And the fees that are involved here, they are in 2 categories, the emerging innovators and professional innovator. Now today we have the early bird. It's the last day today from until midnight. So this fee, it covers the 5 weeks of hybrid program, presentation and communication training, the product and story packaging, the printed project brochure. We will create some brochures that you will have at the exhibition booth for the 2 days. Individual coaching and feedback, personal branding, the photo session. Yes, we will take photos for packaging and for promotion, and a Garden of Talents membership for community for this year. So this is what is included in the fees. And as said, we are very grateful for the collaboration with AI Live, that we have the opportunity to be there and gain so much value and from the 2 days. And yes, only 10 seats. The clock is already running. The early bird deadline is today. And the application is a period is from June to the 31st of July. We prepare and start our hybrid session on the 27th of August, and the AI Live on 25th and 26th. Only 10 fixed places that we have, and we will close the selection as soon as we have it full. We will close the application earlier as well. So this is the special dates that it's very important to take into consideration. And the question is how to apply. It's simple, 3 stages. Submit your application, scan the code. You will be directed to the website where you can register yourself. We will have a short conversation. Jagadish and myself will reach out to you, and we made the decision if you're part of it. And then we are settled and take actions to be ready to take the stage in September. So these are the 3 simple steps to apply for the AI Innovators Showcase together with AI Live in September. Now, I think I'll stop here and see if there are any questions. Or Jagadish, you want to add something?
No, I also shared the link in the comments. You can also scan the QR code or click the link in the comments. If you are watching this stream on YouTube or LinkedIn, you can go to our LinkedIn page and you will find the links in one of our recent posts. So whether you want to take part in the Innovators show or not, I strongly recommend applying first so that we can talk and we can listen to your product idea. So you can think of it as practicing your pitch. Maybe you can get feedback. Then we can decide whether you should take part of the actual show training and mentoring or not. So the training, mentoring, the show comes later. You don't have to worry too much about it just for applying. So I strongly recommend applying. And also, I would like to add for whatever Lucy mentioned so far, everyone has the AI market is too crowded now. Every other person is talking about AI, and the development cost has significantly reduced. You can easily build AI products using AI. You maybe take it Cloud Code or OpenAI's Codex or Gemini or Copilot, or even there are so many no-code platforms like Lovable, Replit, Bolt. There is a lot happening in the AI ecosystem when it comes to developing software applications and also AI first applications. There is so much noise about AI, and everyone is intelligent in their own heads. But when you present your idea, that is when you will get a real feedback. So if you are really, really serious about building something with AI or entering into the AI ecosystem, I strongly recommend take an opportunity to talk about your expertise or your product or your vision, your prototype, or your idea, so you can get actual feedback. And getting the opportunity to present in such a big platforms like AI live events is another thing. So I recommend take the first step, apply, talk to us, maybe practice pitching about your own idea, get feedback. If it is good, then you can come to the next step, come to the coaching, and then present it on the bigger stage. So yeah, that's what I would like to add. And I have shared the application link in the chat and also AI live event link in the chat. And we can take questions, Lucy.
Yeah. Any questions?
I think we have questions from Riyadh. Riyadh asked 3 questions. I will read out the questions. Will the training happen online? That's the first question.
Yes, it will.
Yep. And will I get any benefits after the AI show? Like, will you introduce me to the employers?
Mm. Well, there is no guarantee I will do that because I can say like this, the audience at the AI Live is a very mixed of companies, employers, recruiters. It's a very mixed one. So we are not focusing on finding directly the employers, but we are focusing on you creating your own results. Like when we do this coaching 5 weeks before, we will really ask you, what do you want to achieve? What do you really want to achieve? So if you set your goals and you say, and you come to me and say, hey, Lucy, there are 3 companies there I really want to get in touch with, and we have that conversation, then I would say, yes, I can introduce you to someone that I know. But the first step in order to be able to do that, I really encourage you to really be clear about your goals as well. What do you want to achieve from this?
Yeah, I would like to add one more point to that. You will become a member of Garden of Talents for 1 year. So you will all get all the benefits of the membership. So if you ask me what are those benefits, I would say go to the website Garden of Talents and you can take a look. Though a lot is mentioned there, I can say whatever Lucy mentioned at the end. If you have any targeted employers and if you are aiming to get hold of someone from that company, that is when Garden of Talents can help you. Not directly, continuously introducing you to the employers. That is not possible. That is also not practical. But yes, you will definitely get some support in your job search journey. You are not alone. You will get, to be honest, you will get a lot of support when it comes to your job search journey after the AI live show. But the training and coaching itself is super useful. It will help you to present yourself confidently, and also you will get to meet a lot of employers time to time until your membership ends. Okay, so the third question is, no, it's a very interesting. I have no, we have not thought about this. Is there a prize for the winner of the AI show?
Well, it's not a competition.
Yeah, it's not a competition. Yes.
It's not a competition. It's an opportunity to uh, I'm sure you've heard of the hidden jobs, right?
Yeah.
So I would say I frame it like this: if there are hidden jobs, there are also hidden talents. Though the showcase is not a competition, it's an opportunity for you to show the world what you have, what you can solve for the companies, what you can offer, what value you can create when a company hires you or someone buys your product. But if you want to, you can make a prize for yourself.
But that's a good idea actually. Riyadh, not as part of this AI live show or Innovators show. There are a lot of competitions happening in the startup ecosystem in Sweden. You will be eligible for grants. You will be eligible for some funding and also prize money. So when you come close to the network, like Lucy or me or some other people who are trying to find innovators in the eco space, you will get visibility of such events as well. At least that is one thing I can say from my side, that there are a lot happening. And this is definitely not a competition. This is an AI event where we got an opportunity to present 10 innovators as part of the bigger event. So we are conducting a smaller show. So this is not competition.
Mm.
Yeah, okay. That concludes Riyadh's three questions. Now let's go to Ghada asked one question. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct, Ghada or Ghada. What about the selection criteria?
Mm. The selection criteria, yes. Well, let me go back to there is a slide here. Yeah, here we said what we're looking for is something that is real. Okay, you have created something, it's very real, you're serious about it, and we match it to what is happening in the market, if it's needed, something that is worth showing and it adds value beyond the competition that is going on today. So if you are new, just creating something but not really forming it, but you have a very clear vision of it, that is, we can look into it. If you're a new graduate, yes, that's fine. If you're a senior as well. But the very important thing for that we will look at is if it's real, and you are willing to do the job. That is, I would say. When I'm saying you're willing to do the job, is that you're willing to do everything that we will tell you, because it's a 5-week sprint. That means we sprint.
Yep. And there is another question from Andreas. You had 5 areas that you showed, but are you considering other areas too, like civic tech that is more AI for good and will probably live in open source and become a grant financed kind of foundation?
Yeah, that is very good, Andreas. Thank you for asking that question to clarify. We only mentioned 5, but we have a very small text there down there. It's the range is illustrative. We illustrating it, but bring what you have built, and we will have to frame it. So the whole AI industry, the different types of AI industries, yes. The food tech as well, that is one of the rising. The forest tech is also rising. So yes, bring it on. As most of the areas are also new, I'm not familiar with, so we are not eliminating any field. We are more curious to see, oh, what is out there, what are people, what have been discovered by the curiosity of so many tapping into the AI world. Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks,
thanks, Lucy.
Jagadish.
Yeah, so yeah, to sum it up, just bring what you have. There is no limit. As long as it's AI, just bring it. So we can discuss and then we can take it forward. Yeah, one more question from Gada. Is it possible to apply as a team? A very interesting question. Is it possible to apply as a team, not only as an individual?
Yeah, that's a good question. We package this for individuals, but if you're a team, welcome to apply. We are very happy as well to read from the teams, as we also mentioned in, let me see here. Here, like in the professional innovators, with a product owner. So that means there are a few. Uh, if you have a team, yes, apply, but we will have to look into how many people from the team, because I don't think we will take the team of 5. So that discussion can we have. But yes, welcome with your team.
Okay. If no one has any questions, I would like to ask a few questions which might help everyone get more clarity. Those who attended the live event, or those who are watching the recording later, or those who are watching the stream online, or especially some people joined a bit late. I will ask a few questions which would help as a summary of everything that we discussed. Can I ask Lucy? Yeah, let me
Yeah.
also record from here so that we can share it with others some other time. Okay, Lucy, who can apply for the AI Innovators Showcase?
Emerging professionals like students, new graduates, researchers, career changers here in Gothenburg or the whole of Sweden. Or if you're outside Sweden, you're welcome to apply. And if the only requirements is that you'll be in Gothenburg on the 25th, 26th. So we're also looking at professionals, seniors, researchers, consultant, freelancers, founders, startups who has something to showcase.
Okay, so basically anyone who is doing anything with AI can apply.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so if I want to apply, do I need to have a finished AI product?
Nope.
Okay, thank you. So then, so if I have an idea or just a demo or a prototype or even a research project, or if something is work in progress or a thesis, then I can apply, right?
Yes, you can apply, but I can clarify the idea. If your idea is just an idea, you haven't really worked on developing it to a certain level.
Okay,
Like if you're just thinking of that idea, I don't think we will go for that. But the
okay,
idea that you have created, actually created something like a demo or like a prototype or something like that.
okay. So it can be an early product idea, but I must have done something about it.
Yeah.
Okay,
You must
thank
have
you.
done, create something to showcase and very clear about the problem. What is the problem that you are trying to solve and
Okay,
for whom? Yeah.
okay, thank you. So, how many people are you going to select in total for this AI Innovators show as part of AI Live event?
We are selecting 10, only 10.
Okay. Okay, you already answered the question. So we can also apply as a team, but then you will have a talk and then we decide how many people can actually present that particular AI product or idea.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Then, so can you give me some important dates for me to remember?
Mm. On the 27th of August, we will start the preparation, the 5 weeks coaching and training. Today, the 9th, is the last day of the early bird offer. On the 31st of July is the final date of applications. On the 25th and 26th September, that is the biggest event, AI Live here in Gothenburg, where we will have the AI Innovators Showcase.
Okay, so 25th and 26th September are the dates when we actually present
Yep.
our work. Fine, great, thanks. And what's the price? I think we have two tracks. One is emerging innovator track and professional innovator track.
Yes.
And what are the prices for each track?
Mm. The early bird emerging innovators, that is the last day today, is 2,800 SEK, including taxes, and the normal price is 3,500 SEK. And for the professional innovators, the early bird ends today, 4,900 SEK, and the normal price is 5,900 SEK.
Okay, thank you. And I would like to definitely stress one point here, that just to attend AI live event as a guest, it would cost around 300 SEK. And if you want to be an exhibitor, or if you want to take stage and present something, it would cost 10 times more than that. But what you get with this price, basically not only being part of AI live event, you can present, and also you will get a 5 weeks of coaching. When we say coaching, it's not like we will teach you what you can present. We will only refine, help, guide you how to present, and do more rehearsals, basically getting more clarity about presenting and getting more feedback, or I would say polishing and refining, so your own presentation. Yeah, that is one thing I think everyone should remember when it comes to the price.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. I think I already covered a bit of what you're going to answer in the next question, but I will ask anyways. What's included in the program fee?
Mm. In the program fee, it will be included the live sessions that we will have during the 5 weeks, the 2 hours per week. Will also include the one-to-one coaching sessions with one of the free coaches. Your access to AI Live on the stage and at the exhibition, and feedback, continuous feedback during the program, and the support after as well. The membership in Garden of Talents, access to our network, that is also included in the fee. The photo shoot, we will do professional photo shoot to profile you and to promote you. So you will be seen everywhere on LinkedIn through the promotion channels that we have. And we will also print and package a brochure for your project or your products or your whatever that you are going to showcase. Yeah, and the whole stage and preparation of the booth, you do not have to decorate your own booth at the exhibition AI Live. That's our job, and we will do that whole thing. It's also included in the price. So it's you can think like this, a combination of you are a speaker at the event, you are the exhibitor at the event. So it's on a very professional level that you're positioning yourself very differently from the norms that we have. And if you look as well on AI Live website, there is a lot of speakers already lining up. Now, those speakers, they're only speaking on stage. They are not showcasing anything in a booth. But for us, we speak on stage and we showcase. Yeah.
Yeah. And do I need to be in Gothenburg?
For the 5 weeks preparations, you don't have to. We run the hybrid version online sessions. But on the 25th and 26th, you have to be in Gothenburg.
Okay. My son just came from playground, so he needs my attention. I have one last question, Lucy.
Yeah.
What will I get at the end of the program?
At the end of the program, you will get the stage. You will get the stage and the real experience of being on stage and spoken in public. You will also get a lot of contacts, the networking open to you, a package, a product or a packaged project that you can reuse. A lot of photos that you will also get the photos that we will be taken professionally. And yeah, I am losing my concentration now.
Yeah.
Yes. Did I miss something, Jagadish?
No, nothing. You have actually covered everything. So I would like to summarize once again that uh, as I mentioned already, you just apply first. You don't have to pay for applying, and you get to talk to us by applying, and you present your idea, so we can listen and then maybe give feedback and maybe select you to the next stage. And if you are selected and we accept your place, that is when we can think a little more. And you don't have to be in Gothenburg for the 5 week preparation or for anything. You just have to be in Gothenburg only when it comes to the AI live show on the 25th and 26th September. Until then, we can do everything on Zoom or on Teams remotely. So it is a very flexible model. And as Lucy mentioned, it is one of a kind of an opportunity. It's not that easy to get in Sweden, especially. Most of the events are super expensive in Sweden, even if you want to participate as a guest. Now imagine getting an opportunity to present your product or your idea. It is once in a lifetime opportunity if you never did it. Uh, I also recommend you try doing yourself, and you will see it's not that easy. All you can do is attend as a guest most of the cases. As we are exclusively working with international talent since last 4 or 5 years, and we could make it possible. We are also very grateful for this kind of opportunities. We ourselves are really excited and grateful when we get this kind of opportunity, and we also don't get this kind of opportunity every now and then. So when we get it, we make maximum out of it. That's why we limited it to only 10 people. So try to be the part of that 10 people. Try to be in that 10 members group. You will make a lot of good friends. So most of the cases, those 10 members will become your friends for the rest of the life in Sweden for you. You will become a gang, and you will make a lot of other friends. So your coaches, your mentors, and the other people in the show that are participating, they all become your close network. Yeah, so with that, I conclude. I think we have covered everything, Lucy. If
Yes.
anyone has any questions, you can always reach out to us on LinkedIn or through our websites. Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Satvika, Andreas,
Thank
Chukwe,
you so
and
much.
Victor. We will meet again soon. Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
So you want to say bye? Bye. Say bye. He just came from the ground and he wants my attention. Okay, you can say bye.
Bye.
Okay, have a nice day, everyone.
Yay.
Bye-bye.
Likewise. Bye. Thank you so much for coming.